Bienvenidos a Havana, the heart and soul of Cuba, where history, music, and culture converge in an intoxicating dance. Join us on an unforgettable journey through Havana's iconic landmarks, rich heritage, and the vibrant experiences that make it a traveler's paradise. Our adventure begins in the charming streets of Old Havana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where time seems to stand still. Explore the city in style aboard one of the vintage cars that line these iconic streets. Step back in time as you visit Havana's historic forts, like the mighty El Morro and the imposing La Caba A+A, which offers stunning views of the city and the Azure Sea. Indulge in the flavors of Havana's cuisine, from savory Cuban sandwiches to the world's finest mojitos and daiquiris. Experience the unique blend of Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences. Immerse yourself in Havana's rich cultural tapestry, with live music performances on every corner, colorful street art, and vibrant festivals that celebrate Cuba's lively spirit. Discover Havana's natural beauty, from the iconic Malicatilda Cube Den, where waves crash against the seawall, to the nearby pristine beaches that invite you to relax and unwind. As the sun sets, Havana comes alive with the contagious rhythms of salsa. Join the locals in a dance, feel the passion, and become part of the story of Havana. Whether you're a history buff, a music lover, a foodie, or just a traveler seeking adventure, Havana has it all. Hit that like button, share the passion with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.